day be yet day can home. Safapim Ninya, no baby, in ye. As I say upon no door, no problem bahon, yet Mrs. Summer. Wally, problem bahon, yet Mrs. Even roof no cry, say leakage bema, no problem be bahon, yet me too so. Now, board down also for. If any part of the building become defective, we can correct it, we can change it, we can amend it. Until dine there, send your own money, yet Mrs. Now, so foundation, no dear. Sabibi bahona enya, say problem back to foundation, and then just put down money in a guansa. As I say, foundation in ya, you're better to be a end. Yes, Christo, and we are the foundation of our church. And he is the foundation of our lives. This church, Parousia congregation, Jesus Christ is the foundation. The one who started the church in his house, Papa Nelson Kwame Anakwa, he is not the foundation. He is not. Papa boy piano boy initially they are not the foundation. Jesus Christ is the foundation. And that is why the church is still moving on. Now and he said, yes, Christo or no any foundation on any
PCG TV. In that light, there is light.